Hello everyone, in this particular video I am going to show you how can you make SEO friendly course description. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. So in our past video we have already discussed about course title and course subtitle, and also course description is one of the major important factor in SEO. So you have to take it seriously too. So again we will use ChatGPT to make course description, but we will apply some SEO concept while making description. ChatGPT don't know much about SEO, so we have to guide ChatGPT while making SEO friendly description. So first of all, let's type make SEO friendly description for. Now here you have to type your title. We should be on description. Filmora 12 complete course 2023, and also add some attractive words like beginner to pro level, master class. You can add some keyword to master class, guide. Now let's end this. Now you can type here make description more engaging. Now we will apply some SEO concept. So we will type here use focusing keyword many times so that we can rank higher. Basically I am guiding ChatGPT to use focus keyword many times, and also we have to guide it should not look like keyword stuffing. It should not look like keyword stuffing. Now hit the enter button. We are not satisfying with this description. I want that my focusing keyword should use in description at least 2 times. So I will type here make SEO friendly description and repeat some words many times like Filmora 12, beginner to pro, master class, guide. Use this keywords at least 2 or 3 times in first 3 lines. Now hit the enter button. So it is looking good and we can copy it from here. Let's copy it and paste it in our description, and it will look like this. And now here we can change what we want. At the top of description we should use our focusing keyword or title. So here we will copy it and paste it here like this, and we can also bold it and click on italic. It will look like this. Now again we will bold it let's copy step-by-step guide to becoming a video editing pro. Okay, so this is how you can make SEO friendly description. You can highlight your focusing keyword, Filmora 12 complete course 2023. This would help search engine crawler to understand about our topic. Also, to make it more lengthy, we can type here right above pointwise in short. Basically you have to explore your creativity by doing this. Let's open new chat and type here write synonyms of let's copy title pointwise. So basically we have to copy everything from the here. In Udemy you can do little amount of keyword stuffing. And make it italic. So this is how you can make SEO friendly description inside Udemy.